Recycling plastics like bottles and food containers is crucial for our planet. By reusing these items, we reduce waste and make a positive impact on the environment. Did you know you can turn used plastic containers into planters? It's a fantastic way to grow your own tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and chili plants. Let me show you how. First, gather your used plastic containers. Make sure to clean them thoroughly. Next, create drainage holes at the bottom of each container. This helps excess water escape and keeps your plants healthy. Fill the containers with a mix of soil and compost. This provides the nutrients your plants need to grow strong. Now, plant your seeds or seedlings. Water them gently and place the containers in a sunny spot. As your plants grow, keep the soil moist and watch for pests. With a little care, you'll soon have fresh vegetables right at home. Remember, every small step counts. By recycling and growing your own food, you're contributing to a healthier planet. Love the earth, go green. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more green tips.